Hi, I'm Mae'r, and I'm the Young Ambassador for Public Health Wales.
Hi, I'm MAGI and I'm the Youth Mayor of MAD Abertawe.
Hi, I'm David, I'm the Chair of MAD Abertawe Youth Council.
Hi, I'm Bonnie and I'm the Deputy Chair for the Youth Council.
I think we all knew that it was a way to assess the youth service and the work the youth service does.
Yeah, and we done the bonds one last year as well, so we knew that it was a follow-up from that.
And we knew we had to be included as the award needed youth voice, as it was entailed around that.
We were supported by our youth worker Jan. She just told us to think about some of the things we've done in the last few years while we've been on the youth council, and that they just asked questions around that, and we had a lot of experience and just had to talk about that on the day.
We had a lot of reassurance from them to make sure that everything would be okay.
We were told just to be ourselves, be honest, and like you two have said, just explain all the good work we've done as a youth council. I think we were just happy that we got the opportunity to share all the good work we've done as a youth council and that the youth service in general has done, and to let everyone know all the great opportunities and experiences we've had.
Yeah, I enjoyed looking back on all the things I've done, because I've been here for 4 years now, so I enjoyed looking back and being able to appreciate the things that we've done, the opportunities, and to get an award for that and have the youth service have a chance to show how much support they give to young people in Youth Talbot.
I'm just glad as well that it was a lot less formal than I was expecting, because in a way it was a lot easier to share what we had done, because it wasn't a tense environment, it was open and welcome, which I enjoyed.
I think definitely getting this award for the Youth Council made us feel proud in both what we've done and to be a part of the Youth Council and the youth service itself as well. I think definitely the fact it was online put a few hurdles in our way with how we were supposed to be. Of course, when you're online, it can be a bit difficult to tell tone and how formal it's supposed to be. But I think once we got past that hurdle, it was a little bit easier.
Yeah, I think although it sounds like an intimidating experience, it wasn't. We were all quite at ease and felt comfortable in the environment.
Yeah, it just felt like a chat, talking about different things we've done and just talking like in our normal meetings. It was pretty easy.
I think the main thing is to be yourself. I think that when it comes to the assessors and stuff, they're not mean people. They're not trying to catch you out. They just want to look at you for who you are and who your service is.
Because at the end of the day, all the questions they asked us, we'd already known, so we hadn't needed to revise or anything like that, because it was stuff we've already done in the past. We were just sharing we were self-reflecting about what we've done in the past.
Yeah, it's just people just wanting to hear about things you do and to appreciate the things. So it's just a nice to have a little chance to talk about the things you've done. It's pretty nice.
I think getting this silver quality mark is a sign of recognition for the work that we all do. I feel like we, as a youth service, not just us, but everyone in the youth service, dedicate so much time trying to make lives better for everybody, that to get this recognition and to be looked at with this silver award is a nice reaffirmer of the work that we are doing. It matters.
The youth service has done so much for us as young people and as a youth council, so I think I can speak on behalf of everyone and say that we'd definitely support the youth service on their goal to aim for the goals next.
I'd say that it's just like having a conversation when you meet up in your youth groups or any other groups that you're in, and it's just having a little chat about what you've done, and it's just a way that you can make the youth service and your like different groups like feel appreciated and show what you've done is a nice thing to do, and I enjoyed it.
Yeah, there's nothing to be afraid of. It's not an intimidating experience, so I'd recommend anybody prepared to get involved.